Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Brahim Umar, and in this tutorial we will model this part in SolidWorks. This would be practice exercise 45 of this playlist, and I will provide its file in the description link, so you can download it from there and you can practice. Let's go to SolidWorks. Here you can see I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to MGS, which is millimeters gram second. Okay. Let's go to our drawing. First of all, we will model these two parts, these two bosses, this boss and this boss. Basically it is the extrusion. Then we will create this part, and finally we will create this rib and this keyway. Okay. So this pitch is 100 millimeters and this diameter is 42 and the inner diameter is 24 and here 64 and 36. So let's go to SolidWorks. I will sketch on the top plane. And I will make one center line like this, and this dimension is 100. Center lines are not part of my sketch, these are just for reference. Let's make one circle here and let's make one circle here. This dimension is 64 and this is 42. So this is 64. And this is 42. Also, the inner dimension is 36 and this is 24. Okay. So I will make another circle and another circle here. Okay. So let's dimension these. This is 24 and this is 36. You can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means that this sketch is fully defined. I always prefer and I always advise you to create fully defined sketches, and these will not create any confusion. Okay, so our sketch is completed and I will exit this sketch. I'll go to here, features, extruded boss, and I will extrude these contours. You can see this height is 36 and this height is 24. So first I will select this contour. This is not the correct contour, just clear this. I need this contour only. The height of this contour is 24, you can see here. So I will change it to 24 and select OK. Similarly, go to here, extruded boss again. I will select this one. Just clear this. I need only this contour, okay? And the height of this contour is 36. I will create this keyway in the end. Okay. So let's change it to 36. Okay. Now we will create this base. Okay. The thickness of base is 12 and it is tangent to this circle and it is tangent to this circle or this boss. So let's pick this top plane, sketch. And first I will convert this circle. Basically converting a circle means that I am including this circle in this current sketch. So you don't need to create this circle again. So here we will create two lines. Let's say one line like this and another line like this. Okay. You can see this line is not tangent. So I will select this line and I will select this circle and I will make it tangent. Similarly, I will select this line, I will select this circle and make it tangent. Also, this line, this circle, make it tangent, and this circle and this line, make these tangent. And now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means that it is fully defined. I don't need this portion, so I will trim it. Also, I don't need this one. Now you can see we have a close contour. Now you can see we have a thickness of 12 millimeters in the upward direction. So go to here, features, extruded boss, and this time I need an extrusion of 12. Make sure to check this box, otherwise it will create 3 separate bodies. I need a single solid body. And just hide this sketch. Okay. Now you can see we have a rib here, and the thickness of the rib is 12 millimeters, and it is right at the center, 6 millimeters from here and 6 millimeters from here. So for the rib we have to create a sketch right on the plane. Go to here, sketch, and I will select this plane, and I will sketch one line connecting this point to this point. Okay. You can see it is not fully defined. So I will select this point, and I will select this circle, and I will make it pierce. Now you can see it is fully defined. So let's go to here, features, and go to here, rib, and I will change this direction. Basically I need to flip this direction. The thickness is 12 millimeters. I will change it to 12. Also you can see this rib is in both sides. This rib in on the right side only, and this rib is on the left side. Basically ribs are used to reinforce your part, or it gives strength to your part, so it will not bend in certain direction. And I will select OK. And now you can see we have an error here. The resulting rib did not intersect the existing model. You can see here it is not intersecting our model or our geometry. We need to do a little modification. Okay, I did it deliberately because you have seen this error so many times when you are working with ribs in SolidWorks. So I will cancel it, and I'll go to here, sketch again, and I will create a sketch like this. Okay, basically it is horizontal, and also I will make one line like this. You can give it some direction, but it does not matter. Let's say it is 1 millimeter, and it is also 1 millimeter. Now it will work. So I will exit this sketch. Go to here, features, rib. I will select this sketch, and here you can see it is intersecting our model. Okay, I will change it to 12, thickness on both sides, and I will change this direction, and I will select OK. Now you can see rib is created. Okay, so lastly we have a keyway here, and this dimension is 12 by 6. This dimension is 12, and this dimension is 6, and it is symmetric. Okay, so I need to create this keyway. Go to here, SolidWorks, and I will select this face, sketch, and I will create a rectangle here like this. And I will create a center line. This is just for reference. This dimension is 6, and this dimension is 12. I will select this point, I will select this circle, and I will make it coincident. And I will cut this contour throughout. I will rotate my model. I'll go to here features, extruded cut, and this time I will cut it through all. I will change this option to through all and select OK. Now you can see a keyway is created. Lastly, we will apply some appearance on this part. So go to here, edit appearance. Here you can apply some color as well, and you can apply some material appearance as well. Let's say chrome or maybe bronze. So that's how you can model simple parts in SolidWorks. You can validate your model using evaluate command, and you can go to here measure, and you can validate some dimensions. Let's say this pitch is 100. I will select this circle, I will select this circle, and you can see this distance is 100 millimeters. Also, let's say I want to find out this thickness. So this thickness is 12, and you can see here as well it is 12. Let's say I want to check this height, it is 36. So I will clear these selections. So I will select this face, I will select this face, and you can see this height is 36. Here is an important message, and that is some students were approaching me, and if you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, different engineering topics like simulations, etc., assignments, and even in final year project. So you can reach me through the email, and I will provide my email in the description. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.